Good day. This is Paul from Black Edge Trading. I just want to do a real quick recap on how we were able to capture a trade today on XPX puts. Um, First off, hit that like and subscribe button, and please share this video if you find it helpful. We do have a Instagram page that you can follow. We're up and coming. We're building up. It's called Black Edge Trading. Check that out. Also, you can check our link right here. It'll take you, if you want to learn about trading or investing in the stock market. We have courses for beginners. We have courses for advanced people. We have courses for beginner investors, beginner traders. We have advanced courses for people who are trying to master trading and master investing. We also have one-on-one coaching. And we're running a 50% discount code right now. If you type in Black Edge all together, you'll get 50% off our courses, our coaching, or any bundle packages. Also, you found our YouTube page, but this is it. We would like you to follow and like our content just to help it out. Get it out there. It doesn't take much. So click that button. That's how you can show support for us. And also, if you purchase our one of our courses, it also comes with this free Discord room after the purchase. In this Discord room, you have access to me and my team. We trade in here daily. We share our screens. We talk to people. We answer questions. We help people trade and make money. So definitely something you want to be a part of. Every morning we post a pre-market plan, and you can see what we're looking at. You can see our levels. And speaking of that, we're going to go back to this morning where I posted a pre-market plan, and we'll see what my target was. So this morning I was looking for this 3-hour supply for a price to move back up here. And then this was my target since we were in a downtrend because of the news that dropped last night with Fitch dropping the U.S. credit rating down to AA from AAA. So I was looking for the market to move down today. This morning I noticed that the volatility index, the VIX, had spiked up to 17, and I was looking for the market to move down because the VIX had been trading sideways at 14, and it moved up close to 17. So that was the reason I was looking for the market to sell off. But yeah, let's look at the trade. But this is my analysis this morning, and let's look at this trade. So, this morning, I trade on a 3-minute chart because I can get more data that I need to see. And I also use book maps. So, these are the option contracts I used. I got an entry price of $7.20 on these contracts. I ended up trading 15 contracts, and I'll tell you how I got in them. So this morning on book maps, and I'll open that up and let you guys see what that looks like. Let me move that over here. This morning on book maps, as I'm watching and pulling the option contracts that I want to use, over to my watch list, I notice on book maps a big order sitting at 45.75. Now I can't go back right now on here, but it was a big order, a big sell order sitting at 75.75. We were right, at 45.70, not 45.75. We were right at 45.65, around that area when we opened. I noticed a big order sitting there. So, and I noticed that in pre-market, we had consolidated in this area, and we could not get above this area. It was previously support in pre-market, and then we broke below that area, and it was acting as resistance. I saw the big sell order on the book map. So immediately when the market opened, I marked it in to the 45.25 puts that expire on August 3rd. Today is August the 2nd, so I had 1 day to expiration. Market order into those puts. And they were out of the money puts. But I like this doji that formed. And then we had an engulfing to open with high volume. I took the trade. I was in 5 contracts. I wrote it down. I did not get out here. Even though we had bullish momentum coming back in, this order was still sitting here. So I knew it was going to be a retest, and I was willing to let my trade run. My entry was great, so I never went negative. I was actually able to add to my position right here. So we pulled back up into the zone. I add to my position right here. Immediately see on price action that selling pressure started coming in, and this candle gets stripped down into a upside down hammer, which is a very bullish sign. So I knew it was still selling pressure. I could see the order on book maps, and then we start to sell off. So now I'm in 15 contracts. I have a price point of $720 per contract, so a little bit of like $10,000. And we move down, and we get down here, we hit my target. When we hit my target, I see buying pressure come in, but then I'm still seeing selling pressure. And then on book maps, I see orders start to build here at 45.57 sell orders. So I'm like, okay, this is people taking profits, and somebody else is trying to sell right here. Because basically this was like a breakup structure. We broke this structure here. We came back up to retest it. Somebody put a big sell order here, and we continued to sell off. We broke through this 4-hour demand zone, and we moved down. I ended up getting out of the trade at this gap down right here. I ended up getting stopped out right around 1740 a contract. I got stopped out. So I was not able to capture the rest of this trade, and that was at around 1057. So at 1057, we're right here in this trade. I wanted to take it all the way down to this demand zone, but we didn't reach that area for like another hour almost. But I had some great profits. I'd already broke through one demand zone. I started seeing orders get built up right here at 45.30, and I wasn't waiting to see how it looked when we got there, because it was a large order there, and I felt that we were running out of selling momentum. So I ended up getting stopped out here, and again, breakup structure, the retest of that structure. I could have got another entry here, but I was done for the day, and I started coaching somebody through another trade. So, but this was a great trading day. We've been in a consolidation period for a while, but I just want to show you how these contracts increased from 714, 884 at the lowest. So if you bought one contract and you got in around, let's say you got in around the 720 mark with me, you could have sold these contracts at 1970, 1930, 1800 area. So you could have doubled up. Could have really doubled up. Could have made like 150% return right here. these contracts end up going up to $2,100 at some point today. The top of this was at 1227. So right here, the contract was at $2,100 from 700. So that's a 3x. That's 300% return. So that's how I used options today to make my profits, and I can teach you guys how to do the same. Teach you how to read bookmap. Teach you how to find these supply and demand zones where institutional investors are selling or buying, and show you how to read the zones to see if price is going to break through or reject the zone, and teach you how to get these profits out of the market and lock them in. All right, guys, thank you for your time. I hope this video was helpful. Remember to like and subscribe for more content. We're going to be dropping some gems on here and try to get everybody invested in this market, or at least active in the market. And peace out.